There we go.
Okay, part 3 now. Here comes the meat here. Make sure your wok is pretty clean, okay? And make sure you oil it because this is the meat, as we people see. The meat, right?
The Iowa beef.
Iowa beef, you heard that?
From black Angus cows.
Black Angus cows, and they look really black in color. Okay? Right. Now today I didn't marinate the beef, but that's okay because we can do it on the spot as it's cooking. I like it that way better. So it doesn't disturb the taste of the natural taste of the black Angus. You see that there's some bubbling of the oil here, right? It means that it's hot enough. Again, use the hand to feel the temperature. I would bring up a little bit more. Ooh, okay. A bit more, and we are almost there. So we can start to add the meat. You can do it bit by bit, right? Or you can do it as one shot. But do not be afraid of the oil here, because if you're afraid of it, they know. So it will splatter. And this is when I'll add everything in. Put it around. At some juncture of this video, I might scream because, I didn't wear any glove or apron. I should have, but all my PP is on. PP stands for personal protective equipment. You see, I'm pretty close, all down to my wrists. Right, and I'm wearing socks.
He's wearing socks.
I'm wearing socks, okay?
Yes.
2 socks, yeah. Very dark. Okay. This is where we're going to increase temperature a bit more because the pieces of beef is thick. Okay. What's happening here is protein is breaking down because we are using heat to overcome the van der Waals forces of the protein structure. It might be good here to add some pepper.
Ooh.
Okay.
Lots of pepper. Ooh.
Lots of pepper, you must seem, but as you stir it, then you won't really feel that the saturation because you can mix it around to form a homogeneous beef, fried beef. Ooh la la! Look at that. The red color turns brown. What color would you call it, Carole? Gray?
Sort of a grayish brown.
Grayish brown, right? Okay. And today we aren't going to do medium rare. It's just going to be 100% à point. We call it in French. Okay. Flip to the side where you see red color. It's important that you coat the meat. Make sure it's completely cooked before you mix all the vegetables together and fry it, because you do not want to have some of this meat that still have some living bacteria, although unlikely, but just to make sure, right? In case anybody has a bad tummy. Okay, so turn it over. Oh, see? Wow. What is the faster way than using a spatula, Carole?
What?
What is the faster way of turning the meat over?
Oh, I don't know.
Guess what? You got me the pair of chopsticks.
Oh, okay. I could go get them.
But it's okay now because I'm almost ready. Okay? Oh la la. Smells really good. Oh. Let's add some salt.
Salt,
Salt is on the right.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's no shaker, so be cautious.
Be cautious, there's no shaker.
Yeah,
Okay.
just
So I will maybe
add
just put
slowly.
it slowly. And then do this. Oh, this is alright. Okay.
that looks like plenty of salt.
Plenty of salt, and sodium chloride is salt, okay? See? Not sugar. So we'll fry it. Don't worry about the salt concentration because later on we will have a lot of other ingredients. Like what? Asparagus, long bean, carrot. We have got onion that was cooked just now, celery, right? Green pepper. How's the temperature? We are doing fine on time. Okay. Okay. It looks good to you. I might just put a cover bag to save time and heat, okay? See you later.
Okay.